are keeping super well, and as you know from today's title, I am going to do a makeup tutorial. So this is what I am going to recreate today, and I totally enjoyed doing today's video tutorial. And this is kind of my everyday makeup look, and especially for summer. I believe even if it was winter, I was going to do the same because I love how it looks on me. And I hope you're gonna enjoy it. And also guys, I am not a professional makeup artist, so you're not gonna expect like stringent laws or rules with makeup from my side. So it's gonna be really easy and cool, and at the end of the day, I want you all to enjoy it. Also guys, if you're new to my family and haven't subscribed us yet, then please do by clicking on the subscribe button down below, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated every time I post a video. And that was a long speech, and now let's cruise into the video. Well, the first step of any makeup routine is cleansing and prepping your skin. So I've already cleansed and prepped my skin with the help of Kaya Sun Defense Daily Moisturizing Sunscreen. So this is a moisturizer and sunscreen all in one, so my job is done, and now I can proceed with the foundation. Well, today I was supposed to start off with my concealer first, but I guess I forgot and I started off with the foundation first. But that's not a problem. So today I'm going to use my Face's Ultime Pro Second Skin Foundation in the shade Natural 02, and this foundation is really lovely because it has a serum-like texture and it blends like very smoothly, so it does not leave a cakey effect on your skin. You really do not feel like you have applied foundation on your skin. It does not feel heavy at all, and it's so easy to blend. That is the best part of it, and the shade suits my skin so much. Now I'm going to use my beauty blender, which is actually broken, and apologies for that because I did not have a replacement and I have to go for this. I'm going to really soon buy a new beauty blender, and you have to blend it. You have to blend on your neck as well so that the foundation looks seamless. Now once you are done with that, we're going to move over to the concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me shade Sand Sable, and I'm going to conceal on the usual areas because I want these areas to look lighter than the rest of my skin, and I want to also conceal the darkness over there. So these are the usual places I conceal, and if you feel like you want to conceal any other area, if you have zit or something like that, feel free to go over there and conceal your face. Now once that is done, you have to use a beauty blender and just blend them up. Now next I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles, and I usually use it for my dark circles. I don't know why I have them. I sleep a lot, but I have them. So I'm just going to blend it, and yes, now once you're done with the foundation and concealing, your base is done. Now I am going to move on to the next part. I'm going to sip some coffee. Alright, now I'm going to use my V-Face Duo Powder for actually setting the concealer and the foundation overall on my T-zone and under my eyes, because you could see there is some kind of shine under my eyes and I don't like it. So setting it with the powder helps a lot. It does not crease and it does not look like shiny or something like that. I suppose you get that. Okay, now once we are done powdering our face with this pressed powder, I'm going to move on to my So today I'm using the NYX Perfect Filter Golden Hour Eye Palette, and I love this eye palette because it is a very everyday purpose kind of eye palette. You can use it for everyday purpose. So I'm going to use the lightest shade in the palette first of all for my crease. So this shade is not actually going to be visible. It's like a camouflage, so it's going to be somewhere hidden, somewhere visible. So not completely, but somewhere. And then I'm going to just take this shade just besides it and blend into my eyes. So mind you, if you're going to use the same palette, the powder or the eyeshadow sticks too much under the brush, so there are possibilities that you could apply a lot of product into your eyes. So just pat it a bit so that the color goes off. And now I'm going to use the Colossal liner in my eyebrow pencil actually to do my eyes, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Arc and Shape eyebrow pencil for that purpose. And then I am moving on to my lashes, and I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect, and this is for my eyes. So I just moved on very swiftly, I know that, because my eyebrows are actually not made up, so I have to invest a lot of time on doing them, so I just skip the process. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some eyeshadow, I meant to say, under my eyes as well, and fix the rest of it so that the whole thing looks great. And this is for the eye part. And next we are gonna move to the contour, but before that I'm gonna apply some mascara because I totally love mascaras. I actually put 4 to 5 layers of mascara to my eyes in order to replace the falsies. Today I'm going to use the L.A Girl Pro Contour cream. It contains a contour in a highlight cream, and I'm going to use a very tiny and small brush for that purpose. I'm going to contour on the usual areas, so it depends on you. And yes, the only idea is you have to blend the contour so much so that the harsh lines are not visible, and I'm going to do the same. And once that is done, I'm going to use the same L.A Girl Pro Contour, and I'm going to use the highlight from them. Now, if you're not doing the full face makeup and you just want to apply the highlighter, this highlighter is really good for that purpose because it would give you that shimmer. But on camera, it's too light and it's not at all visible. So I'm going over with my favorite Makeup Revolution palette, and the highlighter is super because it's always visible. And till now, I'm not able to find out another highlighter which could replace it. So if you guys know any highlighter which is as beautiful as this and it is in the budget, so please leave in the comment box down below. Okay, now after the highlighter part is done, I am going to move over to my lip color and my makeup setter, which is both from Faces. And there's the full makeup, and I suppose you would have enjoyed watching it. And this is how I do my usual everyday makeup. So yeah, that's all, and I hope you loved it. If you did, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.